Hey, take a look at this beautiful 1998 Chevrolet Corvette. Just came into us and is now available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And you can see a very nice luster on the red paint in this car. I'm going to go down around the front of it so you can see the nose cone on it. It is not full of chips, any sort of road rash. So nice a luster the paint has. Yeah, there might be a couple real tiny little chips. There's one that's been touched up. Little over 50,000 miles, so for the miles, this thing is really clean. There's a little one right there. Other than that, you can see the hood. It's not all pitted, like I said, not full of chips. Tell this car's been well maintained, well taken care of. Adult owned. The gentleman that brought it to us has had it for the last 10 years. There's no accidents on the Carfax, clean Carfax. Does not appear to be any paint work done in this car. Black leather interior, beautiful shape also. You can take a look at the still pictures, see the underside, check out the engine bay. That's also just immaculate. Interior is immaculate. Check out those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. See, it's got the chrome Corvette wheels. I forget what they called this on the options, but this would have been added, that center, kind of the center marker on the side vent there. Slip around. It does have an automatic transmission in it also. You should check out this black leather interior. Also very, very nice shape. But by looking at it, it'd be easy to believe that this is a 10, 20, 30,000 mile car. Not a lot of door dings or anything like that down the side of it. It's not all chipped up from sitting in the garage, having a door beat into it like we see them sometimes. Feel free to give us a call too, 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire about this car. These are just a great value for what you get for the money. Unbelievable cars. You want to get into a nice performance sports car without breaking the piggy bank. These are, like I said, a great value. Nice center dump exhaust, good looking coming out of the back of there. Again, come down the driver's side. You don't see any door dings, anything like that. Chips in the paint. I'm going to go ahead and pop this door open for you. Check out this interior also. Everything from the floor mats, door cards, see Bose stereo system to it. Oops, sorry, get the glare out of there for you. Even check out the seat where the bolster wears and everything. Not bad at all. Leather's in good shape. This car also does have the smoked top. That's back under here. If I can show you, I got the cargo net in it. So you have the smoke back top, if you can see it underneath there. And then you also have the red hard top for it, as well as a car cover underneath right there. It does come with the case also. That's all included in the pictures. So if you'd like to check out those pictures, like I said, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. No crazy exhaust or anything like that on it. A little bit of a rumble. Nothing too wild. Dual climate control. Again, see how nice a shape the dash is in. Bose stereo, AM, FM, CD. Let me show you the exact miles while we're in here. 51,336, as you can see. No indicator lights on as far as warning lights, anything like that. Just a seat belt since I didn't put it on. All the gauges work. Nothing to hide on this one. Very nice car. Very clean, well taken care of. Slip around to the back. A little rumble out of that 350 V8 underneath the hood. Tell you what, as clean as it is underneath there, I'm going to pop this hood a second for you so you can see that engine bay too. Works. Very, very clean car. There you have it. If you're looking for a lot of bang for the buck out of a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette, a little over 50,000 miles on it, beautiful paint, beautiful interior, check out all those still pics, like I said, uniqueclassiccars.com, or feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726.